Welcome to our cooking tutorial on easy pan-seared salmon with lemon garlic butter sauce. Imagine the aroma of fresh lemon and garlic wafting through your kitchen as you create a dish that's both simple and irresistible. Today, we'll guide you through a recipe perfect for impressing friends or treating yourself to a gourmet experience at home. We'll start by introducing the key ingredients: fresh salmon fillets, zesty lemon, aromatic garlic, and a touch of honey for balance. By the end, you'll have a deliciously golden salmon draped in a rich, buttery sauce. Gather your ingredients and get ready to embark on this culinary adventure. Let's dive into the world of flavor and simplicity. First, let's prepare our salmon fillets for that perfect sear. Start by patting them dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture, allowing the fillets to brown beautifully. Next, season both sides generously with salt and black pepper to enhance the fish's natural flavors. For an extra touch of color and a hint of smokiness, sprinkle on some paprika. Proper preparation is key to a delicious sear. With these steps, you'll set the stage for a dish that not only looks appetizing, but tastes incredible too. Now, let's move on to the cooking process and see how these fillets come alive in the pan. With your salmon fillets perfectly seasoned, it's time to cook. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat in a sturdy pan. Once the oil is shimmering, gently place the salmon fillets skin side down. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the salmon begins to cook. This is where patience is your best friend. Let the salmon cook undisturbed for about 4 to 5 minutes, allowing a beautiful golden brown crust to develop, sealing in all those delicious flavors. When the edges turn opaque, carefully flip them over using a spatula. Continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes until the salmon is cooked through, tender and juicy. The goal is a perfect sear and a succulent interior. Once cooked, remove the fillets from the pan and set them aside as we prepare for the next exciting step, crafting our delectable lemon garlic butter sauce. Stay tuned as we transform these simple ingredients into a sauce that will elevate your salmon to gourmet levels. In the same pan used for the salmon, let's create a flavor-packed sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, stirring for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now balance those flavors by pouring in half a cup of chicken broth, followed by 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. These ingredients create a harmonious blend of savory, tangy, and sweet notes. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes until it reduces slightly, intensifying the flavors. This step is crucial in achieving that perfect balance and creating a sauce that complements the salmon beautifully. As the sauce thickens, its aroma fills the kitchen, promising a delicious finish. Stay tuned as we bring all the elements together in the next segment, where we'll return the salmon to the pan and add the final touches for serving. Return the salmon fillets to the pan, letting them soak up the rich, aromatic sauce. Use a spoon to drizzle the lemon garlic butter sauce generously over each fillet, ensuring every bite is infused with flavor. Let them cook for just a minute more, allowing the flavors to melt beautifully. Finally, sprinkle a touch of fresh parsley on top, adding a vibrant pop of color and freshness. Now, your easy pan-seared salmon with lemon garlic butter sauce is ready to be savored. Serve it hot, paired with your favorite sides like fluffy rice or creamy mashed potatoes. This dish is not only a feast for the senses, but also a testament to the simplicity and elegance of home cooking. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating a restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen, ready to impress family and friends alike. Bon appetit!